Y'all see it, Deemon Detailing. Got some nice big ram up in the building. Yes, indeed. Already been washed, now she being waxed. Yes, yes. That's how you get work done. Yes, indeed. Y'all see that 2500 heavy duty Hemi 6.4 liter. Yes, indeed. Super duty. Well, heavy duty, sorry. Right, heavy duty. Yeah. Look at it. Got a nice shine. Boy, putting the good wax on now. Then he gonna put the shine on the chrome polish. Yes, sir. Second vehicle, third vehicle actually.
Into the shop.
Into the shop. And then of course, y'all see the beast right there. Looking all buttoned up with the new headlights. So yep, so got the racks up. Oh, we got a few more things we gotta grab to stock up on. So yeah. Break area, office area. Yep. So, not gonna make this a long video. We're gonna get back to y'all after we done with the polish. And let y'all know what it's looking like. Stay tuned.
Playing a fucking heavy game in there. Well, you guys got cards?
Yes, I actually have them over
There's
here.
some cards in when you pull it out. I told him to come look. I just wanted it in the light because it's well worth it. Yeah, it's well worth it. Like fucking, oh my, it's amazing, guys. Like seriously.
A little bit, but you know.
Oh fuck, dude. You said 65. I'm like, fuck that. Like I knew what I was paying y'all.
Yeah.
Fucking, if it looked good, fuck yeah. Hey,
But if you got some pretty bright lights, I figured we could pull it out so you like
yeah.
We also did your rough bed, which there was quite a bit of dirt in there.
Oh fuck yeah.
It's
Yeah, you just
Oh,
did
yeah, dude, I'm
big.
always doing fucking shit, man. Like, yeah, I appreciate it for real. Hey, thank you very much.
Hey,
Bring some, yeah. Oh, here. Okay, yeah, I'll hand them out. Hey, thank
We
you.
actually have a punch out.
Well, what I'll do is give them guys, and then I'll just set the rest at the counter with y'all.
alright. Thank you. Alright.
So it's the end of the day, gentlemen. Greatly loved his truck. He say, man, I gotta pay y'all more than what y'all charge. You know what I mean? So we appreciate it. You gotta wipe hard, D. It's coming off. Keep going. Yeah, go up around. Yeah, right here. Ooh. Yeah, definitely.
It's still at 61.
Hit that over in here. Yeah, get that area. So, we're gonna end this video with a very happy customer. So, I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's your boy CeeLo at Deemon Detailing. Signing out with another one. Shop flow. Peace. Just come straight. No, you're good. You're actually right here. You can leave it right there on the parking pad.
Alright.
Ooh.